Hello, everybody. Dr. Brian here from Capital City Chiropractic and Regenerative Medicine. Wanted to give you a little health update, tell you what's going on around the office here and how it might positively impact your health. Number one, we have a lot of patients that are still working from home, either part-time or full-time, or maybe just spend a lot of time on the computer. Well, it's important that your workstation is set up properly so that you don't have a negative impact on your health by the time you spend on your computer. Channel 10 came by here a little while ago, and they did an interview with me that they aired on television about how to properly set up your workstation so that it doesn't negatively impact your health. So I'm going to post that in the video here that you can see. Just click on the link and you can check it out. Number two thing is now we are doing PRP therapy here at the office. PRP therapy is called platelet-rich plasma. This is where we draw cells from your own blood, we spin them down, we pull out the regenerative factors in that blood that we take, and we can inject it back into your body. Now, clinically, this has a lot of good things we can do for you. Number one thing we can do for you is we can treat your joints. This we can put into a degenerative or injured joint, and it will actually help restore function of that joint and can reduce pain in that joint on a more permanent basis than injections such as Synvisc or cortisone. So it's a very good therapy for the joints. It works very well in muscles too. So if you have a trigger point that's degenerative, that's been there a long time, maybe a lot of scar tissue, could help with that, reduce the pain, and again, restore function to those muscles. Another way we can use this is we can restore facial features. We can help to remove wrinkles and lines and that sort of thing in the face. And we can also do hair restoration with PRP. So there's a lot of good clinical manifestations we can use it for, and it's an amazing product. If you'd like to know more information, please call the office or talk to me directly, and we can go over that and possibly get you scheduled for an examination to see if PRP therapy might help you. I want everybody to have a wonderful fall and enjoy the fall colors, and go Bucks. Thank you. Take care.